So hi friends, today we are going to discuss about basic process measures. It's very simple. Let's look at what are the various process measures. So you have flow time, cycle time and capacity. So what is flow time? Flow time is nothing but the time taken from initiating the process till end of the process. Let's take an example of making a sandwich in a bakery. And cycle time is the time between two consecutive deliverables. And capacity is the maximum output when working at the full speed. So let us take an example of two staff working in a bakery, and if you are taking 3 minutes for making a sandwich and another 3 minutes by cashier for billing, so the overall time that bakery is taking flow time is around 6 minutes, that is 3 plus 3, and cycle time is around 3 minutes. Let's see how we arrived at 6 minutes and 3 minutes. And the capacity is of course very simple, because you are taking 3 minutes per sandwich on an average, so 60 divided by 3 is 20 orders per hour. So let us look at how we arrived at these minutes. So let's say time spent for making a sandwich is 3 minutes for each sandwich. You can see each box is one sandwich, and the cashier is taking 3 minutes for billing. That's another box. So once the first sandwich is ready, then cashier is taking 3 more minutes. So 3 plus 3, that is green color one, is flow time, total flow time for one sandwich. And the cycle time is actually 3 minutes, because every 3 minutes your process is complete from start to end, from making the sandwich till delivering the sandwich and billing the sandwich, right? So this is what process measures about. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments in comment section. Like, share and subscribe, and press bell icon to watch latest videos. Thank you and see you next time.